Friends, welcome to Knowledge Academy. I hope you all are doing well in life. Today, in this important session of English literature, we shall discuss some specific facts about William Shakespeare. This is very important topic for competitive exams and as well as university exams. Before starting the session, I would like to say that please like, subscribe, share and motivate channel for new updates. It will be beneficial for you. You are most welcome for your suggestions and comments for teaching learning perspective. Let us talk about William Shakespeare's birth. Shakespeare was baptized at Holy Trinity Church, Stratford-on-Avon on the 26th of April 1564. If we talk about his death, it was April 23rd, 1616. John Shakespeare was the father of William Shakespeare, and William Shakespeare's mother's name was Mary Arden. Let us discuss some facts about Shakespeare. In the context of competitive exams, Shakespeare probably attended the grammar school at Stratford. There he learned small Latin and less Greek. In 1582, he was married to Anne Hathaway. She was 8 years senior to him in age. Shakespeare had the first child only after 6 months of marriage. The eldest daughter, Susanna, was baptized on 26 May 1583. 2 years later, the twins Hamnet and Judith were born. Susanna was married to John Hall, a physician, and Judith to Thomas Quincy. About the year 1587, Shakespeare left his family and went to London. He joined the Burbage's company of players. It is said that he left Stratford because of his stealing deer फ्रॉम सर थॉमस ल्यूसिस पार्क. ऐसा कहा जाता है कि उन्होंने स्ट्रैटफोर्ड को इसलिए छोड़ा क्योंकि उन पर हिरणों की चोरी का इल्जाम या आरोप लगाया गया था. दैट इज वाई ही लेफ्ट स्ट्रैटफोर्ड. लेकिन उन्होंने अपनी प्रतिभा, योग्यता, लेखन एवं सृजन की क्षमता के आधार पर नेम, फेम एवं वेल्थ को कमाया. दैट इज वाई इन 1597 ही परचेज्ड new place in Stratford. Now let us talk about his writings. Shakespeare wrote 154 sonnets which were published in 1609. Long has divided Shakespeare's period, a period of early experimentation, a period of rapid growth and development, and third one a period of gloom and desperation, and fourth one a period of restored serenity of calm after storm. But the period of gloom and depression and its impression cannot be neglected also. The first criticism of his work can be traced in Green's Worth of Wit 1592, where he attacked as an upstart crow beautiful feathers. This is also known as university wits. Dodden divides Shakespeare's career in 4 periods. It is in the workshop, in the world, out of the depth and on the heights. यानी जो फर्स्ट पीरियड है शेक्सपियर का उसे इन द वर्कशॉप कहा गया, लेटर ऑन इन द वर्ल्ड, थर्ड वन आउट ऑफ डेप्थ एंड फोर्थ वन ऑन द हाइट्स. दिस शुड ऑल्सो बी रिमेंबर्ड दैट Bradley's Shakespeare's Tragedies 1904 is still an impressive book on Shakespeare's criticism. The Shipwreck on the Bermudas in 1609, I mean to say the shipwreck in the Tempest, is derived from sea ventures on the Bermudas in 1609. If we talk about Globe Theatre, in 1613 there occurred the burning of the Globe Theatre during the premiere of Henry VIII. On 25th March 1616, Shakespeare altered the draft of his bill to give Judith more security in view of her husband's unreliability and his premarital misconduct. Now let us take some specific and popular lines from Shakespeare's work. From Hamlet. O God, how very stale, flat and unprofitable seem to me all the uses of this world. It has been said by Hamlet. Now again from Hamlet. The time is out of joint, O cursed spite, that ever I was born to set it right. It has been remarked by Hamlet also again. Another quotation from Hamlet, it has been said by Hamlet also, what piece of work is a man, how noble in reason, how infinite in faculties, in form and moving how express, and admirable, in action how like an angel, in apprehension how like a god, the beauty of the world, the paragon of animals, and yet to me, what is this quite essence of dust? It should be remembered that it has been remarked by Hamlet. Now again, quotation from Hamlet. It has been remarked by Hamlet also. वह सिचुएशन ऑफ इन डेलिमा है, यही कारण है कि हैमलेट ने दुविधा की स्थिति में ये कहा है कि टू बी और नॉट टू बी, दैट इज द क्वेश्चन वेदर इट इज नोबलर in the mind to suffer the slings and arrows of outrageous fortune, or to take arms against a seas of troubles and by opposing and them. Now let us take some specific quotations from Julius Caesar. Cassius says that men at some times are masters of their fates. The fault, dear Brutus, is not in our stars, but in themselves that we are underlings. Now, moving to another quotation, it has been said by Caesar, danger knows full well that Caesar is more dangerous than he. We are two lions littered in one day. This quotation has been said by Brutus to Caesar or about Caesar. O Julius Caesar, thou art mighty, yet that spirit walks abroad and turns our swords in our own proper entrails. This quotation was said by Antony in Julius Caesar that this was the noblest Roman of them all the conspirators save only he. यहाँ पर मैं आपको रिकॉल कराना चाहूँगी कि एंटनी ने ब्रूटस के लिए ये शब्द कहे थे that this was the noblest Roman of them all the conspirators save only he. His life was gentle and the elements so mixed in him that nature might stand up and say to all the world, this was a man. Now let us take some quotations from Romeo and Juliet. Juliet says, what's in a name? That which he call a rose by any other name would smell as sweet. Another quotation, Romeo says, hang up philosophy, unless philosophy can make a Juliet displant a town, reverse a prince's doom, it helps not, it prevails not, talk no more. Romeo says, art thou so bare and full of wretchedness, and fears to die, famine is in thy cheeks, need and oppression starved in thine eyes. The world is not thy friends, nor the world's law. The world affords no laws to make thee rich, then be not poor, but break it and take this. So it has been remarked by Romeo. We are talking about some popular quotations from Shakespeare. Good wine needs no brush. Good wine needs no brush. From As You Like It, all men are not alike. Much ado about nothing. Heaven truly knows that thou art false as hell. It has been said in Othello. This is again from As You Like It. Blow, blow, thou winter wind. Blow, blow, thou winter wind. Thou art not so unkind as man's ingratitude. It is from Julius Caesar. Liberty, freedom, tyranny is dead. Run hence, proclaim, cry it about the streets. It is from Hamlet. Love is begun by time, and that I see in passage of proof. Time qualifies the spark and fire of it. It is from Merchant of Venice. Love is blind, and lovers cannot see the pretty follies that themselves commit. This quotation from Venice and Adonis. Love is a spirit all compact of fire, not gross to sink, but light and will aspire. Now let us talk about some specific objective questions on Shakespeare's and his work. How many plays did Shakespeare write? So he wrote 37 plays. The phrase small Latin and less Greek is referred to Shakespeare by. There are 4 options: Samuel Johnson, Ben Jonson, Milton and Wordsworth. So the right answer is Ben Jonson. The phrase small Latin and less Greek is referred to Shakespeare by Ben Jonson. It is absolutely right. Moving to another question, that in Shakespeare's tragedy, the dominant note is, there are 4 options: Destiny's character, regional is superior, Character is destiny. Character has no role. So the right answer is character is destiny. In Shakespeare's tragedies, the dominant note is character is destiny. The defeat of Armada in 1588, this is right answer. The narrative poem Venus and Adonis is dedicated to. Again I shall repeat, the narrative poem Venus and Adonis is dedicated to. There are four options: Earl of Southampton. Yes, of course, Earl of Southampton, Henry Worsley, Baron of Titchfield, to these three. So the right answer to these three. He dedicated his poem to these three. Moving to next question. In a word, he is the universal poet. This is the opinion of Long about which? So this is the opinion of Long about Shakespeare. Now moving to next question. To study nature in his work is like exploring a new and beautiful country. Who said it about Shakespeare? So Long has said about Shakespeare. This is the statement of Long about Shakespeare. Moving to next question, that I do not remember that any book or any person or event in my life ever made so great an impression upon me as the plays of Shakespeare. Who said about which? Who said? So this is the statement of Goethe. Of course, you shall get four options and you have to remark correct one. So the right answer is Goethe. Goethe. Now again the statement about Shakespeare. So moving to next question. I loved the man and do honor his memory on this side idolatry as much as any. He was indeed honest and of an open and free nature. Who said? So this is the statement of Ben Jonson about Shakespeare. Ben Jonson has remarked it. Moving to next question. Shakespeare's contemporary was. So there are four options, but the correct one is Ben Jonson. Ben Jonson was Shakespeare's contemporary. Moving to next question. Others abide our question. This is very known question. Let us know, and generally we see in examination paper, others abide our question. Thou art free. About whom did Matthew Arnold write? Others abide our question. Thou art free. About whom did Matthew Arnold write? So it has been said about Shakespeare by Matthew Arnold. Moving to next question. One that love not wisely but too well. Who is the speaker? So the speaker is Othello. Moving to next question. Julius Caesar and Antony and Cleopatra are Roman plays. There is one more Roman plays written by Shakespeare. Find it out. There are four options: Coriolanus, Tempest, Romeo and Juliet. None of these. So the correct one is Coriolanus. Coriolanus is one more Roman plays written by Shakespeare. The Tempest contains only, moving to next question, the Tempest contains only 20,000 lines. Moving to next question, a little water clears us of the deed. A little water clears us of the deed. Who says and to whom? So the correct answer is Lady Macbeth to Macbeth. That's all for today. Please take care of yourself. Thank you for being with me. Please like, subscribe, share and motivate channel for new updates. Thank you.